Hello, my friends. Can you believe July is almost over? Like, whoosh, where did it go? I don't know. I gotta like glue my eyes open because I'm missing stuff, let me tell you. Well, if you're anything like me, I'm missing stuff. I bet you're missing stuff too. So let's go over our month at the Stamps of Life because I don't want you to miss out on some of these awesome things. Number one, this one, if you're not in the Folded Club, you did miss out because we're already on the next one. Let me just tell you, how adorable is this hedgehog with balloons? Now, our Folded Club is our shaped card club, so it is a shaped card, A2 in size, but you can also put it on banners. You can do anything you want. Also, look at that cute background paper made with the balloon stencils that came in this kit. So I hope you're in the Folded Club and you did not miss out on that one. Then we started the month after that with our Ice Pop Stamp and Die Hard set and the whole entire collection. Look at how stinking cute those Ice Pops are. Look at that. You can make your own background paper. So much fun. Oh, look at that one. Perfect for 4th of July or any time, right? Any summer day. Then we also have Hello Friend, but really it said Hello Summer, but you can have it say anything you want. Look at how fun that is. I love that mini slimline folded. We also, oh, here's another one. Look at that fun font. I love that font that came with this. Oh, here's another one. I couldn't stop. I couldn't decide which samples to show you. There were too many awesome ones. Oh, here we go. You're the coolest friend. We also have that die set available in the words, You're the coolest friend. We also came out with our next round of piece-it dies. The piece-it dies are so awesome. We do have these also. Well, this one was in our class one time that we did. Also this one with the rounded background, but now we have added this one. Isn't it gorgeous? Those four triangles. So fun. Ooh, here's that You're the Coolest Friend. Here's another one using the stencils. So see that gorgeous stencil in the background? So awesome. Here's another one. You're the coolest friend. It's an awesome thing. It's an awesome thing to say to someone, right? Now, oh, couldn't stop. Here we go. Mini slimline ice pops. I love that. So fun, so cute. Oh, if you're in our kit club, you got this card base. Look at this card base. This is so much fun. Also the word stay cool. Look how cute that is. I absolutely love it. Let's look at some more samples. Here's my masterpiece. Are you ready for the masterpiece? Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Is that just like, that is, it's a masterpiece. Now the flowers, if you were in our club, the lavish long stems, that was a club set, but it comes with all of these dies and the little bear and the little hedgehog. So much fun. Now, oh, I even have another one because I couldn't stop. Look at this one. Ready? Here it comes with all of these dies. It comes with yay. It comes with you got this. It comes with up, up, and away. So adorable. And of course, you know, folds flat for mailing. Then I came out with the treat toppers. The treat toppers that coordinate with the ones I took on HSN. These are different. These have a scalloped edge and different words. So we have the boo with the cute little webs on the corners. We have You're So Sweet. We have Merry Christmas. And there was another one, I think Hugs and Kisses or Hugs to You or something like that. I also came out with clothing for our paper dolls. Our paper dolls did come with clothing, but we needed more and they needed shoes. So now we have shoes for them. Aren't they cute? We also came out with our 5x7 circles, the palm trees and the Christmas trees. So awesome. We also came out with the shell background. Look at how intricate and gorgeous that shell background is. Isn't that amazing? And our one and done envelope, the butterfly envelope. Look how pretty this is. You can open up that butterfly, open that up and have your envelope on there. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And with that scalloped edge, it's so pretty. This is limited edition, by the way. And we re-released our A1 rounded corner die because if you missed that in the kit, now is your chance to get it. But if you like A1 card bases, you're better off being in the kit club, because it's like over $100 value for like $54.99. And that includes an A1 card base. So you wouldn't have to buy this separately. So something to think about. And we released our cowboy boot fold it. And for a limited time, we have the Rainbow Bright Collection cardstock paper pad. I know I always call it a paper pad, but it really is cardstock. And now we have all of those awesome rainbow colors. My friends, go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. If you're in any of our clubs, you are getting a 15 to 20% discount every single day, every single item, and every single order. It's so awesome. If I didn't own the company, I would be in the club. Let me just tell you. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.